Yesterday and today I made some major changes on how I'm going to mold this thing. Basically, instead of doing top and bottom pieces, I decided to do side to side pieces, same way I did my ghost. I get better luck with the castings that way as far as detail coming out, and it's easier to build that way because this detail edge right here was always a problem of getting it to fit in here, which means you had to fit this in first before you could finish assembling it. This way, this piece here will be a primary piece that these parts fit on too. You know, because it's the same on both sides, either side of the ship. So top, bottom, side, however you have it displayed. So once I get the box made and built for this thing and glue these detailed sections to it, then these sides will just attach right to this either side of this whole main thing here, which will be set up so you can put a pipe in it. I have this I've had this laying around, but it is 3/4 inch, so just have to get yourself a piece of steel or whatever you prefer, stainless steel, whatever, pipe to support the entire thing. There'll be blocks. Actually, the centerpiece will be a solid piece with holes drilled into it that this can slide into. They will be plugged on the end of the holes. It's the only way I can get to mold right, but other than that, it'll work fine. Another reason why I decided to mold it this way, because the castings will come out better, and plus I can cut some corners in terms of building. I can build these into the ship instead of making them separate pieces once I get them to fit. You know, so for my old Falcon upgrade kit, they're not accurate to the real Falcon, so I can get away with that. If I tried to mold it to where there was a top, like these two pieces were together as one piece, when you cast it, the problem is looking at it from this point of view, this is the way you'd see it in the mold. Right here would be a big bubble problem along this edge because it's an up. See how it would curve up inside the mold like that and trap bubbles. That's the problem I have with my blockade runner. If I had done my blockade runner today, I would have done it side by side just like this. But, you know, just something I recently came across when I did the ghost. So, yeah, I'm almost back to one. Back to one means when I change something drastically and try to get back to where I started or where I finished. So I'm getting really close to that now and starting to do a little detail adding. It's just sitting there, but that's a tube, just kind of a walkway through here for the cockpit. This will be a room. This window has to be fixed. It's not a window, but it's going to be a window on either side there. So detail here. Yeah, so that's it so far. Soon I can start the detailing.